do a boneless, ride at a comfortable speed and get ready to jump into the air. Start with your front foot near your front truck bolts and your back foot on your tail. Keeping your weight centered, bend down and grab your board frontside. At the same time, take your front foot off of your board, leaving your back foot on your tail, and plant it on the ground like this. Now hold on tight, and with your front foot, push yourself off the ground into the air. Now that you're in the air, pull your front foot under you and place it back onto the front of your board. Once you're back on your board, let go, land with your feet over your bolts, and roll away clean. You can also do 180 and 360 frontside bonelesses. Doing a frontside 180 boneless isn't much different than doing a regular boneless. This time, as you push yourself into the air with your front foot, you want to use your back foot to steer your tail all the way around 180 degrees. Now place your front foot back on your board and land riding away fakie. To do a frontside 360 boneless, first you want to, well, let's just have Mike V show you how to do it.
It's all rotations. Anytime we're talking rotation, we're talking upper body. It's all the wind-up. This arm comes around and basically guides you. Once you get to here, it's kind of like no man's land. You got to put it down. It's that last turn that I think most people struggle with, but just wind it up and let it spin out. Try and put it down. I know frontside boneless came from the streets, but did backside boneless come from the streets?